Hello and welcome back to the channel guys. Today we are installing Flutter. First open your browser and search Flutter. Now enter the first website. Now simply click on Get Started. We are installing Flutter for Windows. Now we have to click on Install Flutter manually. Now search for Flutter SDK bundle. Now load this zip file. Flutter is an open source framework created by Google that allows you to build mobile apps, web apps and desktop apps too, all using a single code base. Once the zip file has been downloaded, just extract it. After the extraction, copy this Flutter file and go to C drive and paste it. Now open this folder and search for bin folder. Open the bin folder too. Now copy the path of this bin folder. Now open the environment variable in your system. Search for path in system variable. To add a new path, just click on new and paste the bin folder's path. Click on OK. Then again OK. Now open the command prompt by searching cmd. To check whether Flutter is installed properly or not, we will check the version of Flutter by this command. It will take some minutes to download the necessary packages and folders. So here we got the version details. Now close the command prompt. Open your browser. Now type Android SDK download, tap enter. Go to this website. Now scroll down until you see these SDK tool packages. Download the one for Windows. Click on it simply. After reading, click the tick mark on that agreement and click on download. Once this file gets downloaded, go to C drive and create a folder, name Android. After creating this folder, go to downloads. Copy the zip file we have just downloaded. Paste it inside the Android folder. Now right click on the zip file and extract it. Delete the zip file. Now go inside command line tools and create a new folder named latest. Now move rest of the files inside latest. Now go back to the Android folder and create a new folder named platform tools. Now go inside the folder command line tools, latest, then bin. Now copy the path of bin. Now we have to add a new environment variable. So open your edit environment variable in your system. Again, search for path in system variable. Go inside it. Create a new path. Paste the path of bin folder and click on OK. Now go back to the folder Platform Tools. Copy the path of Platform Tools. Again go to the path in system variable. Create a new path. Paste it. So now we have added the required path in our system variable. Let's open the command prompt and enter this command. It will check whether your system is having Java or not. When you build Android app, Flutter needs several tools under the hood. One of them is Java JDK, which is required in Android development. So you must have Java JDK properly installed. Close the command prompt and open the environment variable again. So we are creating two new system variables. Click on new, then give it a name, Android_home. For variable value, we just have to copy the path of Android folder we have created in our C drive. Simply paste the value. Then create new Android_SDK_root. The value will be same. Click OK. Click OK. Again, open the command prompt. Now we are running this command to install Android SDK components required for Flutter. Let me break it down for you. SDK Manager, the tool that downloads SDK Android packages. Then Platform, install Android Platform API level 36, which Flutter needs to compile apps. Build Tools 36.0.0, the build tool that generates APK or AAB files. Platform Tools, install tools like ADB so we can run apps on emulator or any mobile device. This process will take some time. Now we will run this command, Flutter Doctor. This is the command that checks whether your system is fully ready to run Flutter or not. Like here we can see, Android licenses are not accepted. So to do that, we will run this command. And press enter. Accept all the terms and conditions required for Android SDK package licenses. So once it's done, type Flutter Doctor, press enter. Now we can see all the requirements are fulfilled for Android development. Let's open Visual Studio Code in our system and create a folder for our first Flutter project. My app. Now selecting the folder to open it in Visual Studio Code. Open a new terminal and write Flutter create my_app. It will take a moment to set up your first project in Flutter. Here we can see how required packages for Flutter are already installed by this command. Now we have to get inside the folder we have created, my_app. We will run our app using this command. As we can see, we are having three options to run our app. First, we are running this app on Chrome to verify web support. And then we will run it in a real Android device using USB debugging to confirm mobile support too. And yes, for the first time, it would take some minutes to load your app. Here we can see our app is running on Chrome. Now, let's run the same app on a mobile device. We just have to simply connect our Android device using a USB cable to our system. And on the phone, make sure developer mode and USB debugging are enabled. If a pop-up appears asking for USB authorization, tap Allow. Flutter will now detect the mobile device. You will notice the device name appear in the device selector in VS Code. Like this. Here we can see how Flutter detected our device. Let's simply type flutter run -v to run this app on our mobile phone. Flutter will build the APK and install it directly on the phone. It will take a few seconds. The app will launch on mobile screen automatically. Android Studio is also optional as long as you have Android SDK, build tools and platform tools installed. Flutter runs perfectly using VS Code only. So this was the video about installing Flutter without Android Studio. Do subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, guys.